Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to your video for the today I have something amazing that I've discovered. Okay, this is AZ screen recorder. I have installed the brand new AZ screen recorder on my phone, Samsung Galaxy Note 8, and this new update is beautiful, is wonderful. There are some amazing updates inside. This is what I want to show you. I installed on this phone. This is Android 10, One UI 2.5 as you can see. Okay, now let's check, let's check, let's see what I'm talking about. This is one of the best screen recorder or video recorder what you can have right now. And it's here as a screen recorder is in front of you. Yeah, wow, this is a brand new update. With this application you can make a live directly. This is what I want to talk about. Look at in the corner. Nice, look at that. This is what you can do with this thing. Wow, it's wonderful. Do you believe this? This is the brand new access recorder. Wonderful. You have the first to recording your screen. You have so much things. You are also live. Look at live. Now let click on this thing. You can make live to Facebook and YouTube. Wow. When you click this, you have all of these features for you. Okay? Here, when you record video, you will see all of your videos here. You have photo, which is screenshot. Okay, you have also settings. Okay, let's move this thing. Look at what you can do. You can move like that. And this is wonderful. This is a Boyos screen recorder for 108.2.5. Look at that. I have select my resolution. Look at, you can record in 4K. Please, you can record on this resolution. Okay, 2K and 4K if your phone is compatible with this. You have the bitrate. You can choose the bitrate here. Frame rate also 60 fps. If you are more than this, you can recording. You can select orientation. Okay. You can also have so much features inside. Microphone. If you have external mic, you can connect your external mic here or on this USB-C if it's working. And when it's connected, you can select this here directly. You can see microphone, internal audios also. You can select, you will see the audio but to connect directly here. Wonderful. You have something like that. This is what I recommend you to do. Okay, when you have this, do something like that to enable to aid the record windows during recording. It's important to do this. And look at what you can see under. You can see countdown value in second. Okay, and you have test and logo. You can see, you can show test or not. This is a decision and is wonderful. It's beautiful. This is the brand new update. Let's see the version. About wonderful. This is what I'm talking about. This is version 5.8.7. I recommend you to make the update right now because it's stable, it's good, it's nice, and this is what I use to make video editing. Please, what I use to recording videos on my screen right now. I make the update yesterday, and this is the test of this beautiful update, brand new update, and it's great. It's working very well. No problem with this. And it's good. Now look at what you have here. I have something special here. I have as a screen recorder here. Okay, and what can you do? This is simple. If you want to record your screen, you can click here. 2 1. Okay, now you are ready. You start to recording your screen. You start to record your screen. Look at, you can do what you want. Okay, the recording started. Look at the recorder now. Look at here in the notification. As you can see, started. You can make pause and play. Go home. Have again. Pause and what? Play. You can also click on this button to stop recording. And look at what you have. If you have this, you can watch your video. Now look at, you can watch your video. You start to recording your screen. You start to record your screen. Look at, you can do what you want. Okay, the recording started. Look at the recorder now. Wow. Look at here. As you can see, it's working very well. No problem with this. There are some amazing features inside that you can test yourself, like face thing. This is a good news. It's a good news. And what your settings, you can see recording talk box. You can enable what you want. Screenshot, camera, brush, what you want. Okay, and what else? There are so much features, but what I use is just this thing to record my screen. Is the new feature inside is this thing and the new resolution. Okay, the new resolution. You have 1080p, 1080p. This is the new resolution. You can custom choose what you want, the ratio, aspect ratio, and what you want for your device. Okay, this is the brand new update, and the recorder the screen recorder that I use right now. Yesterday I made the update and I want to show you. You can test this. This is the premium version. This version is the premium version. This is what I use, and here you have a list of your videos. You can delete the video that you want to delete. Okay, when you select it like that, you can delete this. Okay, and enjoy yourself. So easy. You have a available space, and it's good for you all. Now you start recording just like that with this button, and you can stop again. You can delete directly here, and it's working. Do you believe this? Okay, great. Thanks for watching. I love you so much. God bless you all. It was so nice. Thank you for watching.